Hey everybody, this is Jen Coombs. I'm working on part 2, and this is the regular municipal building for Piscataway. So, and I got like a little welcoming committee at the other building. So. So I'm assuming this is where they hold the council meetings and stuff. We're in the township of Piscataway in Middlesex, New Jersey. So that's a camera right there. Oh, sorry. They actually have some nice artwork. They actually have some nice artwork here. So that's one of the law officers that I met before at the other building. So they have some nice artwork here. Again, they have some nice artwork here. So this is the tax collection. Good, how you doing? Again, that's nice puzzle work.
Who's taking pictures of?
Actually, I'm taking video footage.
Oh, of everything in here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Everything that's valuable?
I don't know if that's it. I don't know. No comment.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, how you doing?
Good. Help you?
No,
Okay.
I'm just filming. That's it.
Filming for?
Media purposes.
For?
Media purposes.
Yeah, but what purpose?
Media purposes.
Yeah, but what are you gonna do with it?
I'm gathering content for a story that I'm working on.
You're a college student?
No.
No? All right, hello.
Thank you. This is the division of purchasing. Hi, how you doing?
Can I help you?
No, I'm on. What's your first name?
Can I help you?
Do you have a first name?
My name is Maria.
Thank you.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Happy holidays.
You too.
Oh, these are neat pens. Pens. Nice pens. Hi, how you doing?
How can I assist you?
No, I'm doing fine.
Oh, okay.
Doing fine.
You're just taking pictures.
Filming.
You're filming.
Yes.
What are you filming for?
Media purposes?
Media purposes.
Yes.
Okay. What channel are you with?
I'm an independent. So,
What are you doing?
I'm filming for media purposes.
Oh. Okay.
But thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry. You too.
Again, there's some nice artwork on this side as well too.
I said, well, you know what? I'll take your number and I'll do just that. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Excuse me 1 second.
I'm assuming
Oh,
that you
go
guys
ahead.
are talking about me.
Huh?
No, not too late,
No, it wasn't you.
Oh.
What can I help you with?
Do you have an Oprah request?
Sure. Okay, so you're gonna fill out the top section for me. With your information goes here.
You know, I can do this as an anonymous person.
If that's what you like, but how are we gonna respond to you? Excuse me,
Easy.
let me turn that off. I didn't know it was on. But yes, you can do it, but how would we respond to you if you did it anonymously? How are we gonna respond
Give you
back to you?
email.
Yeah, you can do that.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Sure.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
sure. That's fine. You can do that. Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So just put whatever information you want to put so we can send it to you. And then in this box, just put the information that you're requesting. So if you're
Okay.
requesting copies of
I
something.
would like to have the ordinance for the filming at public meetings.
Sure, you can actually get that offline if you like.
I would like to have it right now.
Oh, I can't give it to you right now.
You can't make a copy. Ain't that like considered an accessible record that you can get like within the next 20 minutes under the Oprah law?
It probably is, but that's not something I can give you at the moment. But we do have it. If you and like I said, you can get it offline. It's all about ordinance online.
I'm willing to wait for. I'm willing to wait for
all right.
20 minutes.
All right, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Then just go ahead and fill it out what it is that you're looking for. And then it's 5 cents a page for each page. How can I help you? Yes, how can I help you? receipt is here, so that doesn't matter. But you have a receipt attached to it. But the receipt is attached to it. Okay, all right, that's fine. Then you don't have to give me that. All right, no worries, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Here you go.
Sure. And I can give you this piece back, if you like.
Thank you. Is this mostly a Democrat council?
I think that they are. I'm not quite sure, but I think that they are.
Okay. Who's that gentleman just now?
That's Tim Dacey. He is the business administrator for the town.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right, let me see. Okay, so it is in chapter business and license. Let's see if I have police. Hi Karen, how are you? Oh, here we go. Performance, filming, and a brief. Okay, I wanna make sure I give you all of it.
How much altogether?
It'll probably, I'm gonna just give you these 2 pages, cause it's just 2 pages.
Okay.
It's 10 cents. Yeah, it's just those 2 pages. I just wanted to make sure I had the right thing. Won't show up. Okay, so this is pages. 25, 26. So this is it. The filming agreement here, and this is the other side. So that's 5 cents because it went back to back. I just wanted to make sure.
That's, but I mean, public meetings. That's the ordinance that I'm looking for.
For which public? What do you mean public meetings? For filming.
Yes.
That's what this is for. Town council finds and determine the following. So it starts here and then it goes here.
Okay.
Okay.
You know that your ordinance is unconstitutional? I'm the person that you talked to before.
Excuse me 1 second. Piscataway Township Clerk's Office. Can you hold, please? Okay.
No, take care of them.
Okay.
Take care.
I'm sorry. How can I help you? Oh yes, we're open. When did you send the open request in? Okay, and your name? Okay, Lola, we did receive it, actually. We were, let me see, I forwarded to the department that needed. So, your 24-hour, excuse me, your, date started as the next day, which would be the 22nd, okay? But I did receive it. Okay, you're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm sorry.
According to this is for like movies and commercial shoots.
Well, no, we have some students that come in from Rutgers who wants to shoot the same thing as well, some of the council meetings.
But you know that's totally legal to do, and we don't need the regular citizens can just go in there and film without.
You can take that up with the township attorneys and the town council. I am giving you the ordinance as you requested.
But this does not apply to town meetings, though. And I just briefly read through it. I didn't catch the whole thing.
On township property. That is, this would be township property because that's where the meetings are held.
But are you aware of the First Amendment and the Public Meetings Act?
I am. But again, if you like, I can give you the township attorney's name and you can speak with them.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm gonna come on. Trust me, I will come into that meeting. I will film.
You are more than welcome to attend the meeting, and I will, as I said to you earlier, I will let the mayor's office know.
I'm acting on the media tip right now, and I'm gathering footage for a story that I'm doing. And part of it is the filming and stuff.
And as I explained to you earlier, excuse me 1 second, please. Piscataway Clerk's Office, may I help you? Sure, hold on please, I'll transfer you. As I explained earlier, you're welcome to come.
It seems like it's like the same.
No, this is the same thing. Well, I just printed from
okay.
another printer, that's all. It's the same exact thing.
Okay.
Okay, but yes.
It's just because I think the council needs a huge education about what the state law and the Constitution is all about at this point.
I understand what you're saying.
I'm very educated on this subject. I have filmed many other township meetings.
So, in this agreement here, it tells you about the filming and the people that can come and whatever
Again,
else it is.
this is for movie, television, commercial.
On township property. And this
But this is not for any of that. I'm just exercising my First Amendment right.
And you're entitled to do that, ma'am. You are entitled to do that. I'm not going to argue with you. You're entitled to do it. However, again, I will let the mayor's office know and the town council that you plan on attending the meeting.
And
there's
film-
nothing else. There's nothing else I can say.
In filming, in live filming, this
There's nothing else I can say about it. But I will let them know that you came by, and that's your intention.
and this does not apply to public meetings, or what I'm doing now.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Rosie. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
So yes, I will.
I
Again,
want
I'll let
to-
them know. Oh, let me give you the change.
Yeah.
Let me see if it's
I'm very well versed in the. I mean, like I told you on the telephone, I don't have a problem educating town. I don't have a problem educating towns.
Happy holidays, everybody.
You too. Take care, Rosie.
Yeah, it says from television and movie film companies. And this does not apply to public meetings. This is going to be interesting at the next meeting.
Here's your change.
Thank you, appreciate
You're
it.
so welcome. Would you like me to write your name on this receipt, or I can just give you one?
Jersey resident.
Okay.
Yeah, this is like more about commercial filming and stuff, like movies and stuff. And what I'm doing has nothing to do with filming for movies and stuff. Or commercial shoot. Yeah, this is like for like filming.
Here's
Yeah,
your
this is for,
receipt.
yeah. Thank you. I appreciate
You're
it.
so welcome.
Yep.
You have a great holiday.
Yep. I'm going to be filming among the building. Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah. Hi, how you doing? I would like to talk to somebody from the mayor's office.
Thanks. Okay. Bye. Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, I want to talk to somebody from the mayor's office.
We both are in the mayor. We work for the mayor.
Okay, this is regarding, there's been issues about filming within public meetings that I'm following up on a tip.
Okay. I don't have any information. I haven't been to any of the public meetings recently.
I heard that you have to, like, gain permission or something like that. I
We
mean,
have to check in the clerk's office if it's part of our ordinance.
okay, but I got the ordinance, and like, right now, and this does not apply to public meetings.
It does not apply to public meetings?
Correct.
I haven't read the ordinance, so I'm not familiar.
Here it is. Please read it.
What? I'm not gonna read it right now. I have things to do, but, I will get a copy from the clerk's office.
This does not apply to public meetings.
Well, this is filming for like commercials and things.
Correct.
So I don't, it might be under where did you get this?
From the clerk.
Okay. I'd have to look up the
yeah,
ordinances and see
it-
if there's other ones regarding meetings. There might be
Yeah,
other ordinances.
it files the Open Public Meetings Act of New Jersey.
All right, we would have to look into it.
So, like I said, this has nothing to do with public meetings. What's your first name?
Dana.
Dana? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Sure.
Department of Health. This is closed. Human Resources. Cameback, I love camebacks.
Me too.
It's not the first and won't be the last. I love camebacks. Okay. Our house is a Piscataway. Okay. So this is. Jen Coombs, time to change the jersey style. I will see you on the flip side. Be safe. I'm on to my next.
Mind if I speak for? Thank you very much.
See you on the flip side, everybody.